Hello guys, and welcome back to another video from 𝗩𝗶𝗱𝗀. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your map to a dark mode using CSS grayscale filter. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all guys, you need to open your text editor. In my case, I'm using VS Code. Of course, you can use any text editor you want. So first of all, let's create the files that we need for this. So I'm creating the HTML file, and then I will create the style sheet or the CSS file. And let's start with the HTML file, and I'm going to use the image to generate the HTML file or the HTML boilerplate. So let's give this page a title, and let's give it this title, which is Google Map Dark Mode, just like this. And let's link our HTML file with CSS file, and let's open this page, this HTML file with live server extension. Of course, I'm using this extension now. So as you can see, we have this blank page. Okay, so now let's head to Google Map, and as you can see now we have the United States map. So to have the A-frame of this map, we just need to click on this button, which is share. So click on share button and then click on embed a map. Okay, as you can see here we have the A-frame element. So let's copy this element and let's paste it here within the body element. Okay, and let's go back to our page. As you can see now we have this map inside our page. Okay, so now let's go to the CSS file to add some properties, but before that let's give this A-frame a class. So I'm going to give this a class my map. Okay, so now let's go to the CSS file, and I'm going to reset some default properties like the margin. Let's set the margin to 0 and the padding to 0. Okay, and to center the map, okay, we are going to select the body element, and we are going to set the display to grid, and let's use this property which is place item and give it the value center. Okay, and as you can see we have centered the map horizontally, but we want to center it also vertically. So for this we need to give the body a height. So let's give it the mean height of 100 VH. And as you can see now we have successfully centered the map inside our page. So now how we can set the map, this map, to a dark mode? So it's very easy and very simple. We just need to select our A-frame. So we have already given this a class, which is my map, and let's use the filter property, and we are going to use the grayscale filter, and let's give this 100%. And as you can see now the grayscale filter was applied on our A-frame, but it's not in dark mode. So for this we have to use this trick. We have to use the invert value. Okay, so our method, so invert and give this 100%. and now as you can see we have successfully set the map to a dark mode. So now you can have, for example, a website, a dark website or a black website. For example, you can have a website that have a black background, and you want to set the map to a dark mode. So this is how you can set your map to a dark mode with CSS grayscale filter. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.